The Butterflies Dance. Short moral story. In a colorful meadow, a butterfly danced gracefully from flower to flower. A caterpillar below sighed, "I wish I could be like you." The butterfly paused and said, "I was once like you, crawling and dreaming. Be patient, your time will come." The caterpillar didn't believe it but continued eating leaves and preparing its cocoon. Weeks later, it emerged as a beautiful butterfly. Remembering the butterfly's words, it danced joyfully in the meadow, inspiring others. Moral: everyone has their own journey of transformation. Believe in yourself and trust the process. Your time to shine will come. Thanks for watching.